We will be looking into some of the ways that you can get started into trading in the crypto market in the right way, because I understand that there's a lot of information out there, but one thing that I'm dedicated to do is helping you and being on your side, going from literally A up until you are profitable in trading the crypto market. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Lisamu Tupi. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at how you can get started into trading the crypto market in the most right way. And one thing that I like is that I've been through a phase where I had to learn some of the things, and I took myself throughout a beginner phase, so I understand what are the things that I had to look out for in order of me to be able to teach you guys and show you guys some of the things that we're going to be looking into. But let's get started on today's video. The platform that we will be using into helping us achieve success in trading the crypto market will be Decta Exchange Markets. So I've decided to use this platform because I have registered successfully with them, didn't have any issues. And one thing that I happen to have liked as well is the user interface. When I went throughout the whole platform, I noticed that it's something that even a beginner, just like how myself as a beginner, I would say, literally what I've done is that I was able to just understand some of the ways. So I'll be showing you guys that because I believe that it's one of the best platforms that you can learn in trading the crypto market with. So guys, if you are looking into trading options, futures, or staking, then I believe Delta is actually going to be one of the greatest platforms that you are going to be using. I've noticed that they are the second largest options trading in terms of volume, and as well the fastest growing companies. So it means that they are actually good with dealing with clients, because being a fast growing company, it means that you and the customer service is actually an amazing thing, which is something that I highly like about them. Delta is the only exchange that offers cash settled options on leading altcoins such as Solana, Matic, BNB, but those leading altcoins. They also offer futures to be able to be traded on Bitcoins plus 100 plus altcoins, as well with 100 times in terms of the leverage. Imagine you being able to have so much leverage within the markets. That's one of the most amazing things. You do know how leverage is important with us trading, because you then wouldn't need as big funds to be able to execute specific trades, which I believe that that's also one of the things that are great about them. Fortunately, I was able to strike a deal with them, and I'm glad that everyone that will be signing up with them under the link that's being put in the description box would be able to get 10% off their trading fees, which is amazing. I'm excited with that. So you can use my link and get started into trading and getting your 10% off. So we'll be covering how you can actually register, verify your account, or validate your account. And the next thing on what we're going to be looking at is how you can actually go into the deposit and withdrawal method, because I'm going to be helping you guys with that. And lastly, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys some of the information about how to navigate through the platform, so you are able to actually use and find your way around the platform. So let's get started, guys. So great, like I did promise with you guys that we are going to as well be looking at the fun stuff, which is as well registering your account, getting started, verifying it, and on top of that being able to just deposit your first funds. So let's get straight to it, guys. So you can simply see that here I'm at the home page where you are able to create and register an account. So what you'll do is that you'll just come here and select your country. Let's say for me, for instance, I'm in South Africa. I'll go here, select South Africa. Then here I'll just type down my personal details, which is my email address. So when I'm done, what I'll do is that I'll type down my personal password that I decide. Maybe you can either choose it for myself, or I can let the system choose for me a smart password. And then obviously hit that sign up button. That's all. And then now on the next page, since I've already created my account with them, normally you'd see as well when you are registering on trading accounts and trading brokers and stuff, what they want is to verify your profile. So your proof of identity and as well your proof of address. And literally it took me, I think, 5 to 15 minutes for them to verify my account. And from there I was excited. So you can simply see, as soon as you get in, this is what you're going to be seeing. This is what my account now looks like, as I have already registered with them, went through, and it's validated. So this is what you'll be looking at. And fortunately, I was able to actually get the app here as well, which you'll see this amazing app right here. I was also able to get the app, which I can now trade on the go without just using my laptop. I can trade on the go being on my laptop, which is something that's exciting. It's like having your MT4 on your phone. So yeah, that's amazing. So I came through here. So this is where I am. Now my profile is created. This is how you can just play around into looking at it. But now I'm going to show you guys some of the methods that you can go into depositing. So let us now deposit our first Bitcoins. So what I'll do is that I'll come here, then I'll just say select coin, Bitcoin, and this is my address. So what I'll do is that I already have some Bitcoins in my Coinbase wallet, because I've got a wallet on Coinbase. So what I'll do is that I'll just come here and deposit $500 just so you're able to see it through. So I'm opening it up here. So what I do is that I just have to type down my amount, $500, then I'll go forward with it. And so here I am. What I do is that I'll just come here whereby I'm able to scan the QR code, and I'll scan it right here. Boom. Okay, so it was scanned successfully. I just pressed on submit, and you're about to send this to this address, and then send now, yes. And then okay, obviously I have to verify it. Need some extra verifications here on the side. Security is very tight, so just please be patient with me. So it's also sending me some codes whereby I actually have to verify that this is me that is making this transaction. So yeah, I got it. Okay, 6 and 4. Okay, so now this is what's going on, and yeah, so I'm just now waiting for perfect. So I've sent through my $500. So let me just make sure that I screenshot it. I'll be able to put it there. And what's going to happen is that let us see how long it's actually going to take to reflect into my Delta Exchange wallet. Ne? Boom, guys. Wow, that was quick. I won't lie. It didn't take more than 6 minutes. Like, I won't lie, it didn't take that long. Like 5 minutes, it was already in. So you can simply see that even with my email, I got an email notification. But at the same time, even here within the platform right here, what you can see is there are pending deposits, which is right here, received at the specific time. There's the amount of deposit that I actually sent through, which I did say it's $500. And with the link that I'll be giving you guys, so in terms of the trading, you'll be able to get like there's fees and stuff, into like, especially when it comes to trading. So what you'll be able to do is there'll be 10% off on those trading fees. So likely you'll be able to save 10% when you have used the link that I'll leave in the description. So that's amazing. That's a beautiful advantage on your side. Even if you don't hit the link and you still register with them, but you are gonna instead now trade with like 100%. So yeah, and I think with the deposit now it's done, because you can see it's still pending, but I believe that within a few seconds it's gonna now, because it moves from like a few networks. Like here it says credit only after a minimum of 2 block confirmations. So I believe that there's still maybe another confirmation that will have to go to, then it'll be credited into my account. But I can see it now, it's reflecting. But already as soon as maybe I'm within like 5 to 10 more minutes, maybe maximum would be 30 minutes that I've seen with these blockchains and stuff moving from one chain to the other, is that it shouldn't be taking more than 30 minutes at times. So yeah, once it's in my account, what I can do is that now I can start looking into trading. So I'll just come here, trade, go into the features section, and this is where I'm gonna start like literally looking into trading my pace. This is something that's amazing and exciting, because yeah, is where the magic is gonna happen. This is where you'd be able to trade your pace. So while now we're getting comfortable with the platform, you saw me register, deposit, and as well now you're gonna be seeing me go into looking at some of the features that we can be able to look at. So let's say for instance, what you can do here is you can go scroll around, get yourself comfortable with how you can use the platform. Let's say now you can simply see that, okay, here right here, let me see, okay, here right here, what I can see is already with the bigger time frame movements that are here, and as well that 100x leverage that we did speak about, which is here. And just by coming down here, so what you'll do is that maybe if I want to trade, you can just simply say Bitcoin, and there's different types of Bitcoin pairs, like we did speak. There's Bitcoin against the USDT, there's as well Bitcoin with USD, there's Ethereum also with Bitcoin, there's BNB with Bitcoin, there's literally there's a lot of things that you can trade a lot of coins against Bitcoin, and you can trade and go into Bitcoin USDT. And just by us getting looking at like the platform and understanding how it is, being able to just see some of the ways whereby we can get around with it. You can simply see some of the order books here, and you can see some of the lowest prices and the recent trades that were taken. And here on the right side here, this is where you'd be able to see, maybe you can buy, you want to buy Bitcoin against USDT, or maybe you want to sell the market. And now it also depends, do you want to put a limit to it, or do you want to also go in with market order, meaning that you want to now place the trade now without putting a limit to it. So normally most people, I know that maybe you guys will be using the limit order in order to be able to get it where you want, or you want to be comfortable with. But if you are also comfortable with market order, you can still come here and you can play around here. So you can simply see that coming here, you can type down like some of the prices whereby you want to get it at, and currently the best offer now would be getting it at this level here. But that's how you would be. Let's say if you believe that maybe you want to get it at maybe a specific level, I want to buy it maybe when it's now broken above here 22823, then I'd have to just come here and input that price right here. And as soon as I'm done inputting that price, then automatically I'll put my stop loss. Maybe my stop loss would be below here and my take profit would be up here, and then I would take that trade, and automatically it'll literally, once it gets to that level, it'll fill me in, and then I'll be able to benefit when it does happen to go to the upside, and I'll be able to cap my risk when it does go against me. So those are one of the things that I like about how you can be going into using the platform. But on the next videos, what we'll be doing is that obviously this is looking amazing of how Bitcoin is looking right now. So what we're going to be doing on the next videos is that we're going to be looking at analyzing the market, looking at how we can actually get some opportunities, and I'll be taking a trade with you. So now the reason I'm leaving it here is that I want you guys to go through the whole process of registering, verifying, and as well depositing some capital, because automatically you'll be able to get the 10% that we did speak about, and just by clicking the link in the description box, that's where you'd be able to get access to the 10% that we spoke about. And I just can't wait to have us started into placing trades on this. So guys, if you liked my video, one thing that I'm gonna be needing from you is to literally just hit that comment section. Tell me what it is that you liked about this. Tell me what it is that you feel about what I've said here. And I cannot wait to see you on the next video, because on the next video is where we are now going to be analyzing a bit more too deep and executing those trades. And I'll be excited to be walking on this journey with you, because I think the most important thing is for us to hold hands and take this journey together. And as well, make sure that you have liked and subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys on the next YouTube video. It's your boy Liswa Mutubi.